Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change light mode for your speaker Sony ULT FIELD 7. You have to start by open Sony Music Center application, and if you add your speaker to this application you will see this menu. Now scroll down and go to the settings. Then you need to select Illumination, and right here we have presets. So tap on it, and this all what this app offer for us. So now select something good for you, let's say hard, it's okay for me, and then click done to change it. Now check it, maybe you wanna change or try one more preset, let's say cute, and then click done. And that's how you swap between these presets. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.